In this video, we'll demonstrate how to automatically update games on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to automatically update games on the PlayStation 5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Any game visible on your home screen is set to be automatically updated without the need for manual intervention. Games stored on your home screen will automatically receive updates. You can press Options on a game to ensure it's set to be kept in home, ensuring continuous automatic updates. To confirm settings for automatic updates, navigate to Settings, scroll to Save Data and Game App Settings, and then select Automatic Updates. Enable Automatic Downloads to allow your PS5 to check and download update files when available. Ensure that Auto Install in Rest Mode is also checked, allowing updates to install while the console is in rest mode. Further, under System, select Power Saving Features and ensure that Stay Connected to the Internet in Rest Mode is enabled to download update files while the console is in rest mode. For System Software Updates, access System Software Update in Settings under System Software. Enable Download Update Files Automatically and Install Update Files Automatically for the PlayStation 5 system software. By following these steps, you can ensure your games and system software are set to update automatically on your PlayStation 5. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative tech videos. Thank you for watching. For additional tech insights, visit mediamagnetguide.com.